In this 4-day video series, I will show you how you can start your high-ticket affiliate marketing business even if you are a beginner with step-by-step video instructions. So this is the day 1 of the 4-day video series, and each day I will talk about each step in detail. So make sure to watch all 4 days. So first of all, I will talk about what is high-ticket affiliate marketing. So in high-ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products or services, and once someone purchases through your link, then you will get a commission. So if you do high ticket affiliate marketing, then you don't need to worry about any product creation, no product delivery, no product fulfillment, no customer service, and no refund issue. So your job is to just focus 100% on marketing. And when someone purchases a product or service through your link, then you will get a commission as an affiliate marketer. So if you are a beginner, you don't have any experience online, then high ticket affiliate marketing is the best beginner friendly business model to start. Now I will talk about the difference between low ticket affiliate marketing and high ticket affiliate marketing. So in a low ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting the products that are not expensive like $100 or $200. But in high ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting a products that are expensive like a $2,000 and $3,000 product. So suppose your goal is to earn $10,000 per month. And in a low ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting a product that costs $100. And in high ticket affiliate marketing, you are promoting a product that costs $2,000. And suppose you will get a 50% commission when someone purchases a product through your link in both low ticket and high ticket affiliate marketing. Suppose in low ticket affiliate marketing, if you make one sale, then you will get a $50 commission. And in high ticket affiliate marketing, if you make one sale, then you can earn $1,000 commission. So in a low ticket, you need to sell 200 products to achieve $10,000 per month goal. And in high ticket affiliate marketing, you just need to sell 10 products to achieve $10,000 per month mark. So you can see in low ticket, you need to sell 200 products, and it's very hard to sell 200 products even if you're a beginner. But if you do high ticket affiliate marketing, then you just need to sell 10 products to achieve $10,000 per month. And to sell 10 products is very easy compared to selling 200 products per month. So that is why if you are a beginner, then high ticket affiliate marketing is best for you. Now in a step 1, first you need to find a high ticket affiliate product to promote. So there are 3 main evergreen niches that you can use to choose a product, which is health, wealth, and relationship. And why these 3 niches are evergreen? Because in these 3 niches, you will find a great product to promote. So you need to find a good and high converting product to promote in these 3 evergreen niches. And you can also choose a product from different marketplaces such as ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Commission Junction. So there are lots of different marketplaces that you can use to choose the promote in these 3 niches. But you need to make sure that the product you are promoting is high converting, because no one is interested in that product, then no one will buy the product from you, and then you will not get any commission. So you need to find a good product which is high converting and which is pay you a higher commission. And you need to find a product to promote that can solve the specific problem for your audience. So as I told you, that the product you are promoting which is not good and which can't able to solve the specific problem for your audience, then no one will gonna buy the product from you. And if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with only one product. Don't promote more than one product at a time. Just choose a one good product and then stick to that product and build your automated funnel and email automation sequence to promote that one product. And if you want to promote multiple products, then you can promote the products at the back end via your email automation sequence. I will give you one tip. If you want to find a good product to promote, then you can go to the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and see what others are promoting in the same niche. Because if lots of affiliates are promoting the same product, that means that product is a high converting product. So you also need to sell this product. Don't be afraid about the competition, because you are unique and you promote the product in your unique way. If I talk about myself, then right now I'm in a wealth niche, and inside the wealth niche, I'm in a make money online niche, and inside the make money online niche, I'm doing affiliate marketing and especially high ticket affiliate marketing. So right now I'm in a high ticket affiliate marketing niche, and right now I'm promoting a product that teaches people how they can be a high ticket affiliate marketer. So right now I'm promoting a product that called Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and teach people how they can make money online as a high ticket affiliate marketer or freelance digital marketer. So I choose to promote Legendary Marketer because I saw that lots of people who are in a high ticket affiliate marketing niche, they are promoting Legendary Marketer, and they are also making a good money by promoting Legendary Marketer. So I'm promoting Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people a great affiliate marketing education and show them how they can make money online as a high ticket affiliate marketer. And the second reason is Legendary Marketer also have a great affiliate program that can allow you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by yourself. That means Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell the high ticket product to your audience. And once someone decide to purchase, then you will get $1,000 commission without selling any high ticket product by yourself. That's why I like to promote Legendary Marketer. And Legendary Marketer have a 15-day business builder challenge. So in that challenge, you will learn how you can start your high ticket affiliate marketing business in 15 days. So here you can see this is the dashboard of 15-day business builder challenge, and I have a day 1 to day 15. And if you are a new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with the 15-day business builder challenge, because in this challenge the CEO and creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Shab, he will teach you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in 15 days. And the main benefit to start this channel, because in this challenge you will get your one-on-one business plan advisor, and that advisor will help you to build your customized business plan. So once you start the challenge, then you need to book the Zoom meeting with your business plan advisor. And the whole challenge is just for $7. So $7 is nothing. If you decide to invest your $7, then definitely you will get a great result. And $7 is nothing, just one cup of coffee. So if you want to learn more about this 15-day business builder challenge, then click the link in the description below. So right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but if you are promoting a different product, then no worries, because the method which I'm going to show you in this video series will work on any product. So this is the step 1. In step 1, you need to find a good high ticket affiliate product to promote. Now in step 2, I will show you how you can drive traffic to this product. And now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.